See, what I have in here is this RMD templates file. And in the RMD templates file is a bunch of templates that you can use for the various kinds of problems, from t-tests to one-way ANOVA to linear regression to categorical, chi-squared and Fisher exact tests. So I want to look at that and show you guys how you can get one. In our classes, we usually require them to have a USB device, and the first class has them loading all the stuff on their USB device because they can run RStudio and R right off of a USB. But if you're in RStudio Cloud, you just need the templates. You're running RStudio from the cloud. Well, let me carry on here and open up this template file. Sometimes RStudio Cloud has a lag in it. Remember, the whole program is not production ready yet. Here it showed up and we can see what's in there. What we see is things that end in RMD, like this best subset regression, RMD. Categorical twiddle, categorical, RMD. Everything that ends in RMD, RMD stands for an R markdown file. And these R markdown files in this particular RMD templates file are just templates that you use to solve another problem. The example problem is solved in the template, and you basically copy and paste the solution part, and then you change the names of the variables that you're looking at and the data file that they are housed in. So that's kind of the approach that we have in here in order for people to make sense out of data. First, you look at your data and figure out what kind of variables you have, whether they're categorical or numerical. Then you pick out the correct markdown template out of this pile here. And then you copy and paste names and change the names and the names of the data frame. But I want to show you how to get this for yourself. How can I get these things onto my USB stick? So that's what this is trying to show. So here's the way you do it. In the meantime, what I want to show also is that I have a USB stuck templates.zip. When you RMD underscore templates.zip, and I'm going to download it. It'll download it to the downloads directory of whatever computer you're working on. So I'll click download, and let me show you, kind of missed that, but when I clicked it, it came down right here into this file in my downloads directory. That file is in my downloads directory. I'm going to show it in the folder. There it is in the folder. And what I want to do is I want to put that in this For Dummies USB stick. Let me make this come down a little bit so I can see what's in For Dummies. So I'm going to grab this and I'm going to move it into For Dummies. And now it should be in there. So let me click on this. And there it is right there. That came from RStudio Cloud. I'm going to undo this. And I'm going to go to 7-zip, open the archive, move this in so you can see everything, and tell it to extract everything to my For Dummies file. Now, if I close this window, there they all are in my USB stick For Dummies, because just as I downloaded it, when I'm dealing with a problem, I may have to upload it. And I'll choose the correct one of these depending on the nature of the data. So that is what I wanted to show in today's lecture.